$36 million. That's what the members of Grand Harbor Golf and Beach Club voted to spend on their own community, 77% in favor. Here's why that matters. A club that raises money because a roof is failing is a warning sign. A club whose members vote 3-1 to fund their future and growth, that's conviction. The centerpiece is the Cove, a 15,000 square foot wellness center right on the Indian River Lagoon. Pilates, a spa, a resort style pool. It opens for the 2027 season. If you're looking to make a move from Greenwich, here's the map. No state income tax, no estate tax, and a club that's still pricing like the vote has not happened. But that window will close when the Cove opens. I'm Ben Brick with Vero Premier Properties, a signature division of Co-op Banker Global Luxury. Call me at 772-713-9455 or call my work partner Vance at 772-913-3426 or visit the new online source for everything Grand Harbor, Grand Harbor Homes, VeroBeach.com. Again, that's Grand Harbor Homes, VeroBeach.com.